Bacolodon, and very much happy to welcome all our esteemed VIPs and guests today. Siyempre, nagapanguna ang pagpasalamat naton sa city officials of Bacolod City, headed of course by Mayor Albie Benitez! Mayor Gubby and happy Masskara, Mayor Albie. Our dear city officials, our councilors. We also have with us here Congressman Greg Gasataya. Happy Masskara, welcome and thank you for being here. It's now time to finally celebrate an energetic and electric Masskara! We will now witness all of our 10 contending barangays. We will be highlighting amazing creativity, not just in the clothes, but from their attires, their makeups, and all the way to their dances. That's why we play such a big stage here on Center Stage, for our judges to have a better view, and for the rest of Bacolod to have the best view of what is in store in the 2024 Electric Float Parade and Masskara Electroica Diva. Here are our panel of judges tonight. Allow me to introduce them one by one. First, he has organized exhibits in Manila as well as overseas. This year, he has mounted successful exhibits in Paris, Jakarta, Venice, and London. We welcome Judge number 1, Demi Padua. Good evening and welcome. Our second judge is the chairman and CEO of Gout Group of Companies. We welcome Dr. Steve Morgan. Our next judge is the administrator and CEO of Cagayan Economic Zone Authority. We welcome Secretary Katrina Ponce Enrile. Our next judge is a businesswoman, a hotelier owner of the Sulo Hotel. We welcome Tina Cuevas. Our next judge, his or her work as an acclaimed fashion model is blended with her impact as a columnist and author. We welcome Kelly Prince. Our next judge, having been in the industry for almost 30 years, she continues to be the #1 concert promoter in the Philippines. She continues to expand her empire, with her latest accomplishment being her companies, that's Music Management International, merged with Live Nation. We welcome Riza Pasqua. Our next judge is an LA-based artist under Universal Records, and her debut single, Crash Landing, easily garnered thousands of listeners as it landed on iTunes Top 100 Singles Chart Philippines the very day it was released. Her current single, Close to You, was included on Spotify's Poses and Fresh Finds playlist. We welcome Bae Pasqua. Our next judge leads the Philippines' largest hotel operator and is recognized as the country's leading hotel group by the World Travel Awards. We welcome Cleo Albizo. Our next judge is the president and CEO of GMA Films and the president of GMA Worldwide. We welcome attorney Annette Gozon Valdez. Our next judge is a prominent figure in the Philippines art industry and serves as the managing director of DF Art Agency. We welcome Derek Flores. And finally, our last judge is the President and Chief Operating Officer of PAL, a post he has held since early 2022 after an 18-year career with the airline. We welcome Stanley Nang. And we acknowledge tonight's chairwomen of judges. We have Secretary Katrina Ponce Enrile. Good luck and congratulations on that. And Ms. Tina Cuevas. Now, we are ready to welcome and see all 10 magnificent floats. This is Bacolod, and this is our Electric Float Parade. Let's begin. Our first contingent. This magnificent work of art is a reflection of Bacolodon's intricacy, opulence, and craftsmanship that has deeply rooted in our history. Made entirely out of oyster shells and kakuna placenta or lampirong in local language. Bacolod is well known for its seafood delicacies, including oysters, lampirong, and so the designer came up to an idea to use these seashell materials to promote one of our products. The float emulates a castle-like structure embellished with these shells, with towering sapphires to commemorate Masskara Festival's 45th year. It also symbolizes Bacolodon's strength and resiliency amid challenges. This float is the epitome of Bacolodon's love for the crafts, craftsmanship, arts, and the desire to achieve greatness. And together, we can achieve greatness as long as we are united by love with smiles in our hearts. We welcome the first parade tonight, headed by Barangay Captain Kim Piramo and with float designer Michael Victor Joaquin. This is Barangay 19!
Masskara, sinadya sa bakol. Masskara, masadya sa bakol. Masskara, sinadya sa bakol. Masskara, masadya sa bakol. Masskara.
It's that time of the year, the streets come alive in one awesome party. One heart and one beat, one glorious sound in our super city.
It's that time of the year where we dance as one in this month of celebration. And this time it will be bigger and brighter, our 45th milestone. To hear the voice of the people, to feel the beat of their heart.
Once more, this is Barangay 19 with Barangay Captain Kim Piramo and float designer Michael Victor Joaquin. This magnificent work of art is a reflection of Bacolodon's intricacy, opulence, and craftsmanship that is deeply rooted in our history. Welcome, Barangay 19!
Masskara, sinadya sa bakol. Masskara, masadya sa bakol. Masskara,
It's that time of the year, the streets come alive in one awesome party. One heart and one beat, one glorious sound in our super city.
it's that time of the year where we dance as one in this month of celebration. And this time it will be bigger and brighter, our 45th milestone.
That was once again Barangay 19 with Diva Jessane Acoyong. Now it's time to welcome Barangay 36! The Chariot of Dreams, a journey to greater heights. The sapphire centerpiece represents our heart and soul. It's shining through, so we will come to terms with our struggles and aspirations. Also, it denotes our commitment and desire to be part of a laudable metropolis. Pegasus signifies the leader of the domain. He is flapping his wings, heralding the dawning of benevolent emplacements. His subjects are enjoined to soar with him for glorious days ahead. Chariot horses embody the pillars of the realm. They're drumming their hooves vigorously, emanating strength from other animals in their natural habitat, which characterizes the diversified populace. Altogether, they are conveying that we can make things happen. Aphrodite personifies our city. She's charming, spellbounding, beckoning to people to be electrified by the metamorphosis of our pride and joy into Super City Bacolod. With Barangay Captain Engineer Jomari Biasca and float designer Serjan Puerta and Yore Delicano. This is Barangay 36!
Sinadya sa bakol, sadya sa bakol, maskara. Sinadya sa bakol, maskara. Sadya sa bakol, maskara. It's that time of the year, the streets come alive, and one awesome party.
Once more, that was Barangay 36 with their diva, Nori Francesca Palermo.
It's that time of the year, but we dance as one in this month of celebration. And this time it will be bigger and brighter.
Now we welcome our third contender, Barangay 17!
Sinadya sa bakol,
Radiance is resilience. The electric Masskara of Barangay 17 bursts into life with its breathtaking flow, crowned by a radiant sapphire crown, symbolizing resilience, prosperity, and luck. Adorned with dazzling array of colorful birds which are now endemic and needs to be preserved. The design vibrantly celebrates the beauty of nature and the spirited essence of the community, enhanced by giant sapphire stones and brilliant LED lights. The float transforms into a mesmerizing spectacle at night, showcasing intricate patterns and vivid hues that reflect the incredible artistry and craftsmanship of local talent. This captivating display not only highlights sustainable materials, but also embodies the joyous unity of the Masskara Festival, blending rich tradition with modern innovation to inspire hope and abundant blessings for all. With float designers Munching Saldo, Romeo Ocampo Jr., Sebastian Bioneda, and Barangay Captain Rogelio Papiana Jr. This is Barangay 17 Diva Sherlyn Dungon once more. Barangay 17!
sinadya sa bakol, maskara. Masadya sa bakol, maskara. Sinadya sa bakol, maskara. Masadya sa bakol, maskara. The streets come alive in one awesome party. One heart will complete, one noise sound. Now we're super
Our fourth contender tonight, we welcome Barangay 8, the light in the dark. The electric Masskara bursts color into the dark, into the moon and in the night sky. Crowned by sapphire and diamond, the Barangay 8 float showcases the colorful festival of Masskara, outlined by the glimmering lights of the city and powered by the dazzling smiles of its residents. Barangay 8 has been founded smack dab in the center of the hustle and bustle of Bacolod life. Guided by light, by the Barangay also electric Masskara trusts always in the Almighty God, the Father of Light, to brighten the atmosphere, telling the message of resilience through the vibrant colors, gleaming smiles, masterful crafting of masks, and jubilant dances. As we bask in the spectacle of sapphire lights, we honor the rich heritage and traditions of Bacolod with Punong Barangay Evelyn Donesa, float designer Jandro Aloro, and diva Alia Alvarez. This is Barangay 8!
sinadya sa bakol, maskara. Masadya sa bakol, maskara. Sinadya sa bakol, maskara. Masadya sa bakol, maskara. It's that time of the year, the streets come alive.
contender, Barangay Paharokoy! The float for this year's Masskara Festival is themed after a lively carousel symbolizing joy, unity, and tradition within the community. The rotation of the carousel reflects the continuity of cherished traditions, while the vibrant lights and festive music capture the lively spirit of the festival. The float also showcases the diverse wildlife found in Negros Island, including the rubber-headed hornbill, the Siam leopard cat, graceful deer, and the Negros bleeding heart dove. Various kingfishers symbolizes the harmony of color and life in the environment. Cornflower, blue star, and blue sapphires represent qualities like clarity, wisdom, and strength to help the community face challenges. And with Barangay Captain Yolanda Noble, float designer Alan Yol, and their diva Althea Judema, this is Barangay Paharokoy!
Sinadya sa bakod, maskara, masadya sa bakod, maskara. Sinadya sa bakod, maskara, masadya sa bakod, maskara. It's that time of the year, the streets come alive in one awesome party. One heart will beat, one note sound, now it's super city.
Our sixth contender, Barangay 5, Futuristic Bacolod. Set in a far future, this visionary float reflects Bacolod's future, where modern living is at its finest. Advanced technology and artificial intelligence has paved the way to make Bacolodons live more easier and convenient. Buildings are being powered by sapphires that produce renewable energy to help protect our environment. And since the concept is about environmental conservation, the whole team has come up with an idea to use plastic bottles and other recyclable materials to make it somehow close to its synopsis. This is also one way of promoting cleaner, greener, and healthier Bacolod City. And as Bacolod is advancing towards modernity, let's also help one another to protect the environment. And may this be our lifetime advocacy for us to be able to achieve a futuristic Bacolod. Together with float designers Peter Paul Goya and Michael Victor Joaquin, and Barangay Captain Rosana Lamanosa, and Diva Althea de los Santos Nazis, this is Barangay 5!
Sinadya sa bakod, maskara, masadya sa bakod, maskara. Sinadya sa bakod, maskara, masadya sa bakod, maskara. It's that time of the year, the streets come alive in one awesome party. One heart will beat.
Our seventh contender, Barangay 39, Sapphire and Soaring Super City Bacolod. This is the special sign and elements of Barangay 39 float, celebrating the 45th Sapphire celebration of the Masskara Festival 2024. The designs, diva, and dances depicts the meaning and symbol of the 2024 Sapphire Masskara logo from the endangered species of Negros and Bacolod as capital city. Barangay 39 float, diva, and dancers symbolize freedom, hope, spirit, transition, and new opportunities to make Bacolod as a soaring super city in the whole world. With float designer Diboy Pasilaban, Richelle Vargas, and Barangay Captain Dante Danoy. And with their diva, Nika Marie Peñol. This is our seventh contender, Barangay 39!
Sinadya sa bakod, maskara, masadya sa bakod, maskara. Sinadya sa bakod, maskara,
impressively displayed creativity and beauty, commemorating the 45th year of Bacolod City's renowned Masskara Festival. The float glided elegantly, showcasing its bright, shimmering blue sapphires. The wings and columns symbolizes the stability and balance of a super city, while the smiling big masts represent the meaningful tradition and culture of Bacolod. Monochromatic shades of blue representing a heavenly realm that provides blessings and contentment, happiness, wealth, serenity, and loveliness. Complex craftsmanship and intricate designs combined create an unforgettable experience. This showcases the beauty and luxury of sapphires in unique and mesmerizing craftsmanship. Together with float designer John Joseph Suarnaba and Barangay Captain Honorable Leonard Pasqua, with Barangay 29's diva Ashley Nicole and Tugao Belnas. This is our 8th contender, Barangay 29!
Sinadya sa Bacolod, Masskara, nasadya sa Bacolod, Masskara. Sinadya sa Bacolod, Masskara, nasadya sa Bacolod, Masskara. It's that time of the year, the streets come alive, and one awesome party. One heart is gonna beat, and know you sound in our super city.
It's that time of the year, but we dance as one in this month of celebration.
Our 9th contender, Barangay 10! Electroica Diva means a famous woman who a very attractive performer. Many lights and float representing a beauty of life and passion. The mask is the fusion of Bacolod's vibrant and modern concept of a super city in this unique celebration. With float designer Berlo Moleño and Barangay Captain Honorable Melvin Bravo, together with their diva Princess Loquias. This is our 9th contender, Barangay 10!
Sinadya sa Bacolod, Masskara, nasadya sa Bacolod, Masskara. Sinadya sa Bacolod, Masskara, nasadya sa Bacolod, Masskara. It's that time of the year, the streets come alive, and one awesome party. One heart is gonna beat, and know you sound in our super city.
It's that time of the year, but we dance as one in this month of celebration. And this time it will be bigger and brighter.
Our 10th contender, Barangay 11! The concept of our float is based on the history, culture, fame, and development of our city, Bacolod. The buildings and infrastructure represent the progress and success of Bacolod City, in which in the past few years we have seen the progress of Bacolod. The bird symbolizes hope and also interprets a message saying, Lupad Bacolod. This will instill in Bacolodons that we will continue to prosper regardless of challenges. Lastly, the statue represents the history of Bacolod throughout the years, in which we continue to cherish and have the younger generations have a peek of the past. With float designer Raimundo Cabrillos Jr. and Barangay Captain Honorable Evelyn Taasa and their diva Roslyn Dayao. This is Barangay 11!
Sinadya sa Bacolod, Masskara, nasadya sa Bacolod, Masskara. Sinadya sa Bacolod,
it. They are still going to be performing here on my stage. So what you just witnessed was just the first half of what's even more exciting to come.